Hey everyone, welcome back to Speak Easy English. I'm Henry.
Hi, friends. I'm Luna. Oh, wow. Today we're diving into a tricky situation. Your car just broke down.
Yeah, it happens to the best of us, right? Especially if you're new here in North America, it can feel super stressful.
Totally. But don't worry. We'll walk you through the exact phrases you'll need so you won't panic on the phone or at the mechanic.
Exactly. We'll cover everything step by step, from calling roadside assistance to explaining the problem and even handling payments.
Uh-huh. And you can repeat slowly or fast, whatever feels comfy. By the end, you'll feel way more confident talking about car troubles.
So, grab a coffee or tea and let's get started. Don't worry, we've got you covered.
All right. First things first, let's see how to call for roadside help.
All right. So, imagine you're on the side of the road, car making weird noises. Uh-oh. First thing, call roadside assistance.
Yeah, you might hear a beep or clank from your engine. That's scary, right? Don't panic. You can say, "Hello, my car broke down. Can you help me?" Repeat after us. "Hello, my car broke down. Can you help me?"
They may ask where you are. You can say, I'm on Main Street near the gas station, or I'm at the intersection of King and Queen.
If they ask for your phone number, reply, "Sure, it's 555-123-4567. Repeat after us. It's 555-123-4567.
Sometimes they ask about your car, like what kind of car do you have? You can say, it's a 2015 Honda Civic, color blue.
And they may want to know what's wrong. You can say, "It won't start," or "I hear a loud bang from the engine."
They might also ask, do you need a tow? You can reply, yes, please, or no, I can wait for a mechanic.
All right, that's basically your first step. Stay calm, speak clearly, and they'll guide you through it.
Okay, so your car is finally with a mechanic. First, you need to describe what happened.
Yeah, like you can start with, "My car broke down on the highway." Repeat after us. "My car broke down on the highway." Or, "It stopped running suddenly." That sounds scary.
If you hear strange noises, say, there's a loud knocking sound when I start the engine.
Or, "It smells like burning." Mechanics need these details to figure out the problem.
They might ask, when did this happen? You can say, it happened about 10 minutes ago, or just now.
Sometimes they'll ask about warning lights, like, "Are any lights on the dashboard?" You can reply, "Yes, the check engine light is blinking."
And if the car won't move, say, it won't roll, or the brakes feel stuck.
Giving these details clearly helps the mechanic understand fast, and you'll get help sooner.
All right. So after describing the problem, you might want to know how much this will cost and how long it takes.
Yeah, you can ask, "How much will the repair be?" Repeat after us. "How much will the repair be?"
Mechanics may give you a rough estimate, like around $200.
If you want a detailed breakdown, ask, "Can you explain the charges, please?"
And time is important, right? You can ask, how long will the repair take? Repeat after us. How long will the repair take?
They might say, "About 2 hours, or maybe until tomorrow."
Sometimes they'll ask if you want to wait or leave. You can say, I'll wait or I'll come back later.
Knowing cost and time clearly helps you plan the rest of your day and avoid surprises. Okay, now you've arrived at the mechanic shop. First, go to the front desk and greet the staff.
You can say, Hi, I have an appointment, or My car is here for repairs. Repeat after us. My car is here for repairs.
They might ask for your details, like name and phone number. You can reply, Sure, it's John Smith, 555-123-4567.
Sometimes they'll ask you to fill out a form. Just write down your info and the car problem.
If you're not sure where to wait, ask, Where should I wait? Repeat after us, Where should I wait?
And if you need water or a seat, don't be shy to ask. Can I have some water, please?
Remember, being polite and clear makes the mechanic's job easier and keeps things smooth.
All right, so the mechanic checks your car, and now it's time to discuss repairs. Oh, wow, it's always a bit nerve-wracking, right?
Yeah, totally. They might say, Your brake pads are worn out, or You need a new battery. That can be stressful.
You can ask, Can you explain the repair? Repeat after us. Can you explain the repair? It's okay to ask for details, even if it feels silly.
Or, What exactly needs to be done? Don't be shy. Mechanics expect questions.
Sometimes they give options. We can do it now, or you can come back tomorrow. You might say, I'd like to do it now, or tomorrow is fine.
Also, they may talk about parts. The alternator might need replacing. You can ask, Is it necessary now?
Mechanics may also talk about cost. It'll be around $300, roughly.
If you're not sure, ask, Does my insurance cover this? Or is there a cheaper option? Always ask. It's normal.
Knowing the repairs clearly helps you feel confident and avoid surprises later. Yeah, taking notes or repeating back can help too.
All right, so you've discussed the repairs. Now it's time to confirm the plan with the mechanic.
Yeah, you can say, So we're doing the brake pads today, right? Repeat after us. We're doing the brake pads today, right?
They might clarify timing, like it'll take about 2 hours, or we can start now.
You can reply, Great, I'll wait here. Or, Sure, let's start now. Repeat after us. Sure, let's start now.
If you have any questions about parts or cost, ask them now. Like, Are these the original parts? Or is this the final price?
Sometimes they'll double-check your contact info, your phone number, email, or car details. You can say, Yes, that's correct.
Being clear at this stage prevents misunderstandings and keeps everything smooth.
Okay, now you're ready for the repair. Relax a bit. Maybe grab a coffee while you wait.
Wow, look at everything we covered today. From calling roadside assistance to explaining your car problem and even handling payments.
Yeah, we also talked about asking about repair costs, confirming the plan, and staying safe after your car is fixed.
These are real phrases you can use if your car breaks down anywhere in North America.
All right, let's review with a short role play. I'll be the driver, and Luna, you're the mechanic. This is to practice and remember all the phrases we learned.
Hi, I see your car needs a battery replacement.
Yes, please, let's do it now.
All done. The total is $200. Payment by card?
Yes, here you go.
Great! Now here's your challenge for review. What problem did the driver have? What repairs were done? How did he pay?
If you missed anything, listen again and repeat the phrases out loud.
For extra practice, act out the scene with a friend. It really helps you remember.
If you enjoyed this episode, please like and subscribe.
And you can download our free word list from the link in the description. Thanks for listening today.
Until next time, drive safely and keep practicing English.